Now, what is a cathode ray tube? Well, if you remember from chemistry, right? You remember. Okay. There are reasons to know chemistry. If you're doing plating and you put wires into this material, the positive wire is called the anode, the negative wire is called the cathode. So a cathode ray tube is a device from which the negative terminal emits rays. And so we've got a little gun in here, it's an electron gun, negative terminal at the bottom, and we run enough electricity into it to make it hot. When it gets hot, the electrons in the conducting metal kind of boil off and they float around the metal like a haze, almost like mosquitoes around your head. But we can't convince them to go anywhere, they just stay there. Unless you put the mosquito catcher over here, and then they say, wow, look at that, and they start moving. Instead, we put a positive charge over there, and now the free electrons begin moving. And so when we do that, if we turn the lights off, well, wait, before we turn the lights off, let me point out, they're going to come straight up, and we're going to see a vertical line run into the glass. Dull and boring. But please know we've got these cool copper rings here that we're probably going to run electricity through, right? When you run electricity through copper rings, you make magnetism. We're going to have a magnetic field running this way, we're going to have electrons running this way, and by now you're getting the three-dimensional idea, aren't you? If we got one guy going this way and one guy going this way, what happens? We get pushed that way. Okay? So let's put the lights out. So here is our blue beam. Okay? And now, if I change the amount of magnetism, I change how much I curve this. So it comes up and curves a little, but now let's get more and more and more and more magnetism. Okay? And it curves around in a very tight circle. So we end up with this beautiful, now, and keep in mind, if I keep pushing at right angles to my motion, I don't just turn left, I keep turning, and I turn in a circular path. So